Hello all. Today we are going to learn about the topic types of resources. First of all, what does mean by resources? Resources is anything that fulfills human needs. When anything is of some use, it becomes valuable. All resources have value. The value can be either commercial or non-commercial. Commercial resources have great economic value. For an example, petroleum. Here the resources can be classified into natural, man-made and human resources. First of all, we are going to learn about the natural resources. Natural resources. All the natural resources that have been directly provided by the nature are called natural resources. Man-made resources. Natural resources are modified or processed by the technology into man-made resources. Human resources are groups of individuals who use nature to create more resources. Now the resources are classified into various types based on its origin, development, renewability, distribution and ownership. First of here we are going to learn about the biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources. All living resources are biotic resources. Example, plants, animals and other microorganisms. Abiotic resources. All non-living things are coming under abiotic resources. Based on the development, here the resources are classified into two types. They are actual and potential resources. Actual resources. Actual resources are resources that are being used and the quantity available is known. Example, coal at Neyveli. Potential resources. Potential resources are resources that are not being used in the present and its quantity and location are not known. Example, marine yeast found in Bay of Bengal. Based on the renewability, here the resources are classified into two types. They are renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Resources once consumed can be renewed with the passage of time are called renewable resources. Example, solar energy. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. Natural resources which are limited can be called non-renewable resources. They become exhausted after use and the time they take to replace does not match the life cycle. Example, coal, petroleum. On the basis of distribution, here the resources are classified into two types, universal and localized resources. Universal resources. Some resources are present everywhere. Such resources are called universal resources. Example, water, sunlight. Localized resources. Localized resources. When the resources are present in specific region, they are called localized resources. Example, minerals. Based on the ownership, here the resources are classified into four categories. They are individual resources, community resources, national resources and international resources. Individual resources. So individual resources are privately owned by individuals. Example, house or apartments. Community resources. Community resources are owned or utilized by all the members of the community. Example, public parks or ponds. National resources. National resources are resources within the political boundaries and oceanic area of a country. Example, rivers. International resources. International resources are all oceanic resources found in the open ocean. Resources found in this region can be utilized only after an international agreement. Example, ambergris.